Hello students, welcome back with me Miss Dwi with CST Online Learning. How are you all? I hope that you are doing great. Previously, we have discussed about reported speech in positive and negative sentences. Right now, we are going to discuss reported speech in WH question. In this discussion, Miss Dwi will speak a bit in Bahasa Indonesia to help you to understand about the material. Before that, let me discuss what is reported speech. Apa sih itu reported speech? Reported speech is repeating what someone said, atau mengulang apa yang seseorang telah katakan. Nah, here, right now, we discussed what someone said, but in question, yang kalimatnya dalam bentuk tanya. Kalimat tanyanya apa saja? What, why, when, who, and how. Previously, we discussed about this type of reported speech. For the example, from direct speech, Julia said, I like ice cream, and it becomes, Julia said she liked ice cream. Nah, kalau di direct speech, itu ada apostrophe yang Miss Dwi lingkari dengan warna merah tersebut. Before that, I would like to give you several examples about WH question. Ya kayak pertanyaan normal aja. Where are you? What do you like? When are you going to school? Semacam pertanyaan kayak gitu. Yang ada beberapa yang pakai are, ada yang pakai do or does. Firstly, we discuss reported speech in simple present that uses is, am, or are. Yang kalimat awalnya pakai is, am, or. For example, Joe asked Max, where are you? Jadi, Joe nanyanya ke Max. Berarti you ini siapa? Bukan kamu kan, tapi ke Max, because Joe asked Max. Nah, di dalam reported speech, tenses yang dipakai akan berubah. Why? For the example, Joe asked Max on Monday. Nanyanya pas hari Senin, terus kemudian diceritain lagi di hari Selasa. Makanya waktunya akan menjadi berubah, right? For the example, Joe asked Max on Monday. Kemudian Max cerita kalau dia ditanya sama Joe pas hari Selasa. Joe asked Max, karena ini pertanyaan menggunakan where, which, who, why, how, kita nggak pakai said or told, kita pakainya ask, karena ditanya, dan ini kalimat pertanyaan. Masih dengan reported speech, dari kalimat simple present that uses is, am, are. Now, let we make the reported speech. Kalimat yang atas is direct speech, yang bawah reported speech. Joe asked Max, where? We use where because the previous question also used where. So, we take it with us. If the direct speech using who, so we use who. If the direct speech using what, we use what. But in this case, our direct speech use where. Ask where, di mana. So, we take where for the reported speech. After where, we need a subject. And our subject here, yang ditanya siapa? Max, right? So, we put he, or you can put Max. After that, was or were? Depends. Now, because the subject is he, so we use was. Jadi, reported speech utamanya adalah where he was. First, we put WH question. In this case, we have where, and then the subject that is he, and was or were. And in this case, it is was. So, where are you become where he was. So, from the example direct speech, Joe asked Max, where are you? Where are you? It becomes Joe asked Max where he was. Karena kebetulan yang ditanya adalah Max, jadi kita pakai he. Dan kenapa pakai was? Because our subject is he. How about the other subject? Yes, if we have subject like he, she, it, or I, our to be, our past to be is was. But if our subject is you, we, they, and more than just one person, we use were. Next example, Miss Dwi took this example from your class book because our topic is about travel to space. Now, Luke asked me. Yang ditanya adalah aku. Luke asked me, why are you in space? So, our reported speech, Luke asked me, why you was or were? Can you help me? Yep, we use were because our subject is you. So it becomes, Luke asked me why you were in space. Look at the little writing below. Lihat yang keterangan yang di bawahnya. First, kita taruh WH questionnya, why, what, or where. Kemudian subjeknya, kemudian was or were. At least remember 3. WH questionnya, subject, kemudian was or were. And then, if our example is just like this, when is Elton landing? Kapan Elton bakal landing? You don't need to bother with landing. Kamu fokus kepada is-nya. Is-nya diubah menjadi was, right? And don't forget, first, WH question, second, subject, and then was or were. So it becomes when Elton was landing. Yap, reported speech, kalau yang berasal dari simple present, kita ubah menjadi simple past, mundur satu tenses. Now, after we learned from is MR, we learned that the sentence has do or does. Tinggal, verb utamanya kita ubah menjadi verb 2. Verb utamanya kita ubah menjadi verb 2. For our example, Julie asked me, what do you like? Julie nanya ke aku, apa yang aku suka? So it becomes, Julie asked me what I liked. What I like. WH question, subject, kemudian verb 2. Apa yang hilang? Ya, yang hilang adalah do-nya. Kita coret do-nya, nggak usah kita bawa. I've got the same example here, but I only change. Kalau tadi yang ditanya adalah aku, sekarang yang ditanya adalah gebetannya Julie. Julie asked him, what does he like? Kalau yang pertama tadi pakai do, sekarang pertanyaannya pakai does. So, our reported speech become, Julie asked him what he liked. We change the verb 1 likes to be verb 2 and we take away does. Right? We take away does. And remember how to make reported speech in question? WH question, subject, and verb 2. One more time. WH question, subject, and verb 2. You can see that on the screen. Let me test you what are the verb 2 of those verbs. 10 seconds, please. Finished. The verb 2 for those are took, went, came, lived, landed, could, enjoyed, had, wanted. Did you get them right? Now it is time for you to try by yourself. Remember, if the question has do or does, change the verb 1 into verb 2. So, what is our main verb in the first statement? Live? Yep, it become lived. Now, I gave you clue, WH, subject, and verb 2. Now, please complete. The direct speech said, Joshua asked Marvel, where do you live? And our reported speech become, Joshua asked Marvel where Marvel lived. Because kita nggak pakai I karena yang ditanya adalah Marvel. Bukan yang ditanya adalah saya sendiri, okay? And then lived is the verb to of live. Girls, now your turn. Jessica asked Michelle. Yes, because Jessica wants to know about Michelle. Jessica asked Michelle, why do you eat ice cream? So, what is our main verb? Eat. And then what is the verb to of eat? Yep, ate. So it becomes Jessica asked Michelle why Michelle ate ice cream. Michelle, please tell Jessica that's okay. Let her know why do you want to eat ice cream. Remember, the main reported speech, WH question, subject, and verb to. Let me review a little ya. Kalau direct speech-nya pakai is, am, or, our reported speech menjadi WH question, subject, was, or were. While if the simple present question using do or does, just take away do or does and change the verb 1 into verb 2. Buang do or does-nya, kemudian ubah verb 1-nya menjadi verb 2. Just like what I mentioned. Okay kids, that's all about our discussion today, and I would like to remind you something, it's important. Probably for some students it is a bit difficult, but that's okay. Kalau kamu merasa susah atau agak bingung, kamu bisa replay setidaknya 2-3 kali videonya. That's okay until you understand clearly. Atau you can text me to get explanation atau to get some helps, okay? Kalau masih belum ngerti, tolong jangan diam aja, tapi usaha supaya bisa tahu dan paham. Because you have got video to play or you have got me to ask. Okay, I really wish you to good luck with your task and with your study. And please have some fun, have exercise, have healthy life when you study at home. I will see you next time, students. Good luck and bye-bye.